GBP Low Sports Complex for our triple header matchup in our elimination round battle. For our third and final game, we will be having Team San Vicente versus Team Mercedes. And for the first line of Team San Vicente, wearing jersey number 36.5, Raymond Morales. Wearing jersey number 10, shooting guard, Jefar Ragais. Wearing jersey number 0, small forward, Ryan Marcana. Wearing jersey number 11, old forward, Ron Almadera. Wearing jersey number 14, center, Iván Nahorda. And coach for Team San Vicente, Mr. Raymond Macaranas. And for the centers of Team Mercedes, wearing jersey number 16, Leto Nelson. Wearing jersey number 8, shooting guard, Caro Lapo. Wearing jersey number 21, small forward, J.P. Lanzaderas. Wearing jersey number 1, small forward, Franz Aceron. Wearing jersey number 6, center, Lloyd Ragasso. And for the head coach of Team Mercedes, Mr. Gabriel Napolitano. And officiating officials for this ball game, crew chief Tomar Coro, number 1, Edmond Farajon, and number 2, Abelardo Chicosera Jr. The session at Omega Cup, Camarines started.
Good evening once again and welcome to Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. Still live here at the Jimmy P. Law Sports Complex. Punong-puno po ang ating stadium for the last game of our triple header. Ako nga po pala si Angelo Espinocilla, ang inyong play-by-play commentator, at kasama ko ang aking idolo at napaka-pogi, batang-bata, na si Sir Alex, aka Kapa Morgan. Good evening, Kapa Morgan.
Grabe naman yung intro mo. Well, isang karangalan ang makasama po ang isang college professor at isa sa pinakamagaling na commentator sa Camarines Sur when it comes to basketball. I'm talking about itong magiging partner ko ngayong gabi, Sir Angelo Espinocilla. Good evening sa iyo, partner.
Good evening, partner. No, grabe, bumawi ka agad doon. And Pragoso with a volleyball save there, but failed.
Well, we expect a thrill, full of thrill na laro ngayong gabi. This is because itong dalawang teams na ito, ang home team, which is Mercedes ay merong kartadang 4-0. So, ibig sabihin, wala pang talo. And so as San Vicente, wala pa sila talo, 3-0. So both teams are undefeated, sabi mo nga kanina.
Tama, and I think this is very exciting kasi isa dito ay uuwi, no, for the very first time na nalasahan yung pagkatalo. So tingnan natin.
At meron ding madadagdagan pa ang kanilang win sa larong ito. And itong Mercedes ay meron na lamang isang laro sa ating elimination round, and they will be playing against Daet after this one. So ano man ang maging resulta, hindi sila makakalusot sa Daet. At itong San Vicente naman, malalaban pa to sa Basud and Talisay.
Tama, and kitang-kita naman partner, gigit-gita ng bakbakan dito pa lamang sa unang mga minuto ng laro. San Vicente was intercepted by Mercedes there, tying the ball game at 2-all.
Yes, both teams are now with 2-point score.
And you're hearing the crowd roar, ladies and gentlemen, as San Vicente is relentlessly attacking the defense of San Vicente, Mercedes rather.
Good recognition on the part of Aceron papunta sa kanyang nauunang teammate na si number 16, which is Clint Lorenzo.
And, looking for revenge here is San Vicente, but is being pressured by the bigger man na si Pragoso, but was managed to be able to pass the ball to jersey number 14 na si Nahorda, but he was sacked there.
That was the first time na I saw na Horda attempting for a two-pointer and yon, na-foul siya kaya nasa free throw line siya ngayon.
And with that, no, Horda has nailed his first throw of out of the 2 throws. Tingnan natin if he will get the 2 chickens in the bucket after this free throw.
We will see and we expect na itong si Horda ay talagang pupunto sa larong ito. He has been the best players or kasarog players of player of the ball game for maybe a couple of times dito sa ating eliminations.
And tama ka nga, nabate. No, minsan pag nababate, minamalas, pero Horda has proved us wrong. And with that, with an awkward shooting position, JP Lanzaderas has nailed his shot. And ito naman si Lanzaderas on the side of Mercedes has scored an average of 21 points in every game. So, kaabang-abang din. And
One
speaking
of
of the devil, he stole the ball. And
at merong whistle yung mga referees, merong itatawag na foul. Good hustle on the part of this 35-year-old na si JP Lanzaderas. At kanina, very open yung kanyang tira. At pagka ganun, lista mo na talaga yun para siyang tumitira.
And with that, May was stripped away, no, recognizing that they will pass the ball. And binali sa ere ng isang Bragais.
Dati hindi minimintis ni Bragais yan.
Oo.
Ramdam natin yung pressure.
Tama, no? Of course, no, yung tinatawag nating sixth man partner.
Oo.
Punong-puno ang Mercedes. No, kung makikita nyo dito sa ating nahagip ng video, parang may first floor until to rooftop. Itong,
Tama.
yung iba yumayakap na sa poste, makapanood lang.
At kung mapapansin mo, kung titingin ka sa mas malayo, may mga nasa ibabaw ng mga building dahil gusto nila makakita ng mas magandang view sa ating laro dito sa loob.
Tama, no? And again, we thank ako, Bicol Party List, and Congressman Saldico for bringing this exciting ball game here in Camarines Norte, specifically sa napakagandang lugar ng Mercedes.
Oo, ayan. Nakakalamang na po ang mga taga Mercedes. 8 kontra sa East para sa para sa game na ito sa ating first quarter. 6:45 remaining.
And very exciting ball game, mga kaibigan, as San Vicente is trying to push their way in, and Mercedes has been relentless in their defenses to the point that they were called for a foul.
Yes, indeed. At talagang asahan natin na when it comes to defense, both teams will truly exert extra effort para maitawid ang larong ito sa bawat kupunan. Again, both teams are undefeated.
Tama, and this will be a statement as well for them, no?
Tama.
For
Exactly.
Mercedes, they don't want to, of course, disappoint this tremendous audience, and of course, the officials are here watching. At para naman sa San Vicente, this is a challenge for them. Now, despite playing in unfamiliar territory, they want to strike against Team Mercedes.
And that could be a morale booster.
Tama, and with that, Bragais shooting from a long range too, smiling after making that shot and tying the ball game into it.
Talagang ganyan siya. Every time na nakaka-score yan, talagang makikita mo yung swag niya.
And speaking of swag, the old man, Lanzaderas, pushing his way in for a second attempt after being at the right place at the right time, but misses. But Aceron was there at the right place at the right time.
Tama. And buti na lang nandun si Aceron to clean up the mess.
Here we go. San Vicente attacking against the paint, but misses. A foul was called. Grabe itong depensa ng Mercedes, but at the same time, the consequences of their tight defense, lagi silang nafa-foul.
Yun lang ang gamble doon, partner. Pagka talagang masyadong maigting ang iyong depensa, ay prone ka sa foul. Kaya malamang magkaroon ng foul trouble ito ang Mercedes as early as the late part of this quarter.
And yun na nga, very good observation, Sir Alex. Hopefully, no, hindi sila magkaroon ng foul trouble at the end at malesen yung foul ngayon. But speaking of foul, Bragais was caught there.
Oo. And as early as now,
mainit ang bakbakan dito, partner. Makita mo naman sa mga mukha ng ating mga players, no? They are eager to show their dominance. No?
tama, both teams at both ends of the court gusto nilang maipakita na sila yung mas dominanting team.
Tama, no? But let's see kung sino ang better team against these two as Mercedes attacking the paint with a quick stop and puff there by Mandak, but Mandak misses. Now, Bornales. Bounce pass to Barangais with a reverse layup, but no good. San Vicente trying to clean up the mess made there, but misses.
Masyadong maepektos yung pasa kay Barangais, kaya hindi niya masyado na control yung bola kanina.
Tama, and a quick 3-point attempt there by Lopo, but misses. Dribbles now, Barangais trying to reclaim his glory, but decided to pass it to jersey number 14 na si Nahorda.
That's his first 3-point attempt and he misses.
And here we go, the relatively younger Mandak attacking, asking for a ball, but Barangais was there anticipating that pass to Aceron.
Wala na yan, ilista mo na yan.
Yan na nga. Barangais has been pressuring this jersey number 1 na si Aceron. And tying the ball game once again. And here we go, ang ating shooter na si Lanzaderas.
There you go, that's a long two mula kay JP Lanzaderas. That's his second in this ball game.
Napakagandang laro, no, Sir Alex. Very exciting ball game indeed. As jersey number 26 na si Bornales is dancing with the spikes heard because of the silence of the crowd.
Oh, and if you will notice, itong si Jenmar Barangais pumuposte at humihingi sa may low post. Let's see kung ganun ang magiging diskarte niya ngayon sa larong ito. Madalang nating makitang pumuposte yan. Kadalasan kasi nasa labas lang siya. Will attack the basket strong and will dish it out or will score.
Tama, and kilala naman natin, no, na ito si Barangais is a well-experienced player. So tingnan natin how Mercedes will stop this kind of man. As there was a whistle there.
And also, you were talking about an experienced player. Isa din ito siyempre. Walang duda, itong si Lakay, Leomar Nahorda, sa mga veterano when it comes sa laro ng basketball dito sa ating bansa. Oo, is known nationwide. And marami ng battles under his name. Of course, and right now, ipinapakita niya yan dito sa mga kababayan natin na mga Bicolano dito sa Camarines Norte para sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Tama ka, Sir Alex rather, you know. And that proves to us, no, that Ako Bicol Cup is a top-tier basketball tournament, no, with these high-caliber players.
Absolutely.
And here we go. With that, San Vicente has taken away the lead against Mercedes. But of course, Lanzaderas is here with his shooting form. But a big rebound by a very small man under the rim. Na si Malinaw.
Very small, but if you can see his leaping ability, talagang mamamangha ka.
Grabe. And a foul was called there on Bornales for blocking.
Oo.
And as early as of first quarter, grabe na ang bakbakan and punong-puno ang ating court. And shout out din of course sa 1,000 viewers natin. So, Sir Alex, puntahan muna po natin ang report ng ating napakagandang courtside reporter na si Jessa. Jessa, magandang gabi sa iyo.
Ayan, magandang gabi sa ating nagwawapuhang commentator, Kapa Morgan at Sir Jello. At syempre, magandang gabi rin sa inyong lahat, lalong-lalo na sa mga taga-Norte. We're down to the third and last game for tonight na pinakahihintay ng mga taga-Mercedes, a battle between the undefeated teams, Mercedes versus San Vicente. At kakasimula pa nga lang ng game, grabe na agad ang init ng pagtanggap na pinapakita ng mga taga-Mercedes. Kitang-kita naman sa likod ko ngayon. Our venue is jam-packed by our live audience na mas lalong nakakadagdag sa excitement nga ng laro. Mga kasurog, this has been once again Jessamine Navales your courtside reporter. Back to you, Sir Jala and Kapa Morgan.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Jessamay Navales, and expect more report from this beautiful young lady na makakasama natin all throughout. Actually, nakasama niya na sa first and second games and hanggang dito sa ating third and final match ng ating triple header on our day 9 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. This is, hindi pa naman actually tapos ang ating elimination round this week. We still have 2 more days. Next week we have the it's Thursday, August 17 and Saturday, August 19 para tapusin itong elimination round and papasok na tayo kaagad sa semis.
Wow, napaka-exciting naman nun, no? Yeah, by the end of August 19, alam na natin kung sino yung team na papasok. So, with that, we would like to acknowledge our counselors of Mercedes. So
Of course, we have Councilor Noel Ong and
Princess Balane Toralba and municipal admin na si Kingstein Tang.
And isa pang counselor natin na nandito at the venue, si Jude Hernandez. Maraming salamat po for gracing the occasion and napakinggan din natin kanina yung message ng Mayor as we start this very exciting ball game kanina.
And we also we would like to really extend our gratitude for this kind of officials who are supporting their athletes.
Tama.
And with that, with a long-range 3, very far, 3-point attempt there by Mandak. But now, Bragais.
Medyo short lang yung tira ni Mandak but he makes those kind of shots.
Tama, parang it reminds me of Ayo of Hamaligan. Shooting from long range.
Ayan na ang angas!
Running like a wind! Is Mandak there, but he failed once again. So, grabe naman talaga yun Coach Morgan, si Bragais.
Oo, talagang asahan mo na ganyan yung klase ng brand of play niya. And because of, once again, the heavy defense, itong tatawagan, yung number 29 ng Mercedes, na si John Sanares, will be called for a foul.
And ito na yung magiging trouble nila.
Ayan, yung mga counselor natin. Nasa coaching staff din siya.
Yeah, thank you po for supporting. Again, Ako Bicol. And thank you for...
Ayan, nakikita natin na mayroong konting reminder lang itong ating head ng ating officiating na si Sir Faraon. Mukhang kinausap niya itong si Jenmar Bragais. I don't know kung ano ang sinabi. But we can see from here na parang meron siyang inire-remind.
Tama, kasi part na ng basketball game yung konting lambingan. Kasi syempre, these teams are both undefeated. They want to maintain their record and they want to secure their spot on the semifinals. Kaya,
and they want to make an impression that we are the team to beat.
Tama.
At matakot na yung nasa ibang distrito. Kasi ito, District 2 ito eh.
Oo.
Sino ba ang mag-ahari dito? Manidetermine natin actually sa larong ito eh. And siyempre, nag-scout naman yung sa kabila, yung nasa District 1. But panoorin natin yung nasa District 2. Sino nga ba talagang pinakamatinding team dyan? Di ba?
Tama. Very good insight, Sir Alex. And of course, because of that, they really have to show their prowess in this particular ball game.
Talagang hindi papatinag ang dalawang teams na to. But anyway, sa ngayon, nagli-lead ng 2 puntos lamang naman po ang San Vicente kontra sa home team na Mercedes.
Tama, and we're hearing the crowd shouting boo. Again, ito na yung advantage ng Mercedes.
Oo.
Meron silang 6th month na tinatawag. And of course, the familiarity of the court. And Fragoso, necessary and not so good mistake there.
Wala pang masyadong impact itong si Noy Fragoso. Magtatapos na yung ating unang quarter. It's 2:25 na lang na ang nalalabis sa ating relo. But still, parang medyo maalat pa itong si Noy Fragoso. We also expect from him both sa rebounding and sa point making dito sa larong ito.
Tama, knowing that is a member of the champions in the Camarines Orleg. And that
narinig tayo. Narinig tayo.
Fragoso blocked the ball there but the foul was already called. A traveling violation. Parang ginawa niyang rugby yung bola doon. tumakbo siya without dribbling the ball.
Parang tinesting niya lang, heat check niya kung uubra ba yung mga blocking prowess ko.
Yeah, and that, I think Progoso gained his confidence there. And dancing inside the paint is Asutilia.
Si Asutilia, ganun kakumpiyansa na lulusutan mo ang isang 6'6", 6'5" guy na si Leomar Lahorda.
Tama. And I think, kung mapapansin mo, Sir Alex, whenever Bragais is holding the ball, the crowd is booing. So hindi natin nakita kung ano yung rason kung bakit nagkaganon. But nonetheless, here's jersey number 7 na si Mandak.
Ayan na, si Mandak.
A very young player.
Sabi nila, the paint is no place for a small guy. Pero makikita natin kay Jericho Mandak, sabi niya, hindi.
Tama, no? Mandak is proving them wrong. And ito na nga yung sinasabi ko, Sir Alex, whenever Bragais is holding the ball, the crowd is booing him. Tingnan natin if this will get into his head or he will be still composed.
Sige, dito masusubukan ang composure nitong si Bragais.
JP, ito na. Bragais, running coast to coast, decided to pass it to his teammate na si Ofracio. Ofracio having a 24-point average din in his previous match in the different teams.
Ofracio is one of the most steady guy dito sa koponan ng San Vicente.
And tingnan natin if makakascore ang Mercedes, almost catching a point and a foul there. But he will troop to the line nonetheless.
Alright, and 21-18 po, nakakalamang ng 3 puntos itong mga taga San Vicente. Under a minute to go, 57.3 ang nalalabi at nasa free throw line ngayon itong si Gerald Lanzaderas. Ang pinaka-senior, pinaka-veteran dito sa grupo ng mga taga Mercedes.
Pero again, ito na yung nagpapatunay that basketball is not just for the young.
Yes,
no, this is for everyone to enjoy. Even the audience, no, merong iba-ibang age bracket. May mga bata, may mga teenagers, merong medyo papalubog na. Kidding aside, no, this is for everyone.
Yes, it is. As long as you still can play, why not, di ba?
Tama. Now, Bragais dribbling the ball. And we are hearing again the disappointment of the crowd. And Bragais showing that despite the 6th man,
iba ang challenge pagka mukhang ibang nagiging epekto kay Bragais na binugo siya ng 6th man.
Tama, no? A heart of an athlete. Taking it as a challenge instead of a distraction.
Oo, tama.
And Lanzaderas, Gerald, using the time wisely. Calming his troops. And here from downtown, Asutilia misses, but to clean up the mess, andun sana.
Sayang yung putback ni Flores,
Oo.
Ayan na! Wala lang yung tira nitong one of the most exciting guys dito sa San Vicente na si Malinao.
And with 10 seconds remaining, si Disquitado will troop to the charity line for 2. Tingnan natin how the first quarter will end. Will San Vicente gain an advantage over Mercedes? No, or mako-close yung gap ng Mercedes with this final throw that will be provided by Disquitado.
Alright. And that's a split. Hindi na ipasok yung una pero swak na swak naman yung pangalawa for Disquitado and for San Vicente. 24-20. Kailangan makascore dito mga taga Mercedes.
With 10 seconds remaining. Using the time wisely. Ito na to the side and of course the shooter steps to the side and shoots. That's an air ball.
And that will end our first quarter action ng laban po dito sa Mercedes sa Jimmy P. Law Sports Complex between of course the home team at ang dayo na mga taga San Vicente. 24-20 po ang ating score at yun, let's take a look at some of the highlights, Sir Jello. Ayan.
Kitang-kita dito, ito yung kahit awkward yung shooting form ng isang JP Lanzaderas. Very accurate naman siya.
Oo. Kung titingnan from here, it's kind of awkward. Pero pag nasa ibang angle ka, ang gandang tingnan kasi it's a fall away shot eh. Sabi nga, ang idol pala nito kasi ay si Dirk Nowitzki. And si Dirk Nowitzki, although retired na sa NBA, ay talagang kilala with that one-legger shots and those fadeaway shots.
Tama, no? Leaving, of course, the defender, no, if you will take such kind of shots.
Tama.
And with that,
Creating space para makatira ka ng mas maayos. Anyway, pasadahan muna natin Sir Jello, yung mga leading scorers natin for our game. For the home team, it's Mandak leading by 4. It's Lanzaderas leading by 6 points. And Mandak follows it by 4 points. Samantalang sa, sa Dayo, sa San Vicente, si Bragais meron ng 9. And so as Leomar Nahorda.
alright, tingnan natin if these players that has been dominating this first quarter will dominate once again. And Fragoso was faked there by the likes of Magana. What a fake there. We saw there Fragoso flying, but to no avail.
Mas gaganahan pa itong sa Magana dahil sa nakabuslo na kaagad siya.
And Fragoso picking up his mess. Shoots!
There you go. That's, I believe, the first two-pointer of Noy Fragoso sa larong ito.
Tama.
What a way to start the second quarter for him.
And a good thing to clear his name as well after failing that defense. Now, we have Disquitado. Spins, drops the dime, but there's a miscommunication there and he was not happy about it because Magana left his post.
Disquitado is trying to be generous with the crowd. Kaya ipinasa yung bola sa mga spectators sa labas.
Didn't see that one coming, Kapa Morgan. So I thought you were being serious, but here comes Fragoso throwing the ball, knowing that he will be fouled. Grabe, this goes to prove that some players are really well experienced when it comes to this kind of basketball. No? When you know na mafa-foul ka, regardless, throw the ball.
Oo, tama.
Kasi there's an opportunity, no? Rather than keeping it to yourself, that there's a 0% chance. And with that, Fragoso is still, sabi mo nga, Sir Alex, medyo maalat pa dito sa pagpuntos.
But he made his first field goal kanina and hopefully maipasok niya din itong pangalawang tira niya sa free throw. And there you go.
Yan, nagdilang Angel, ang isang Kapa Morgan. And
yun, 3-point lead for San Vicente. Mercedes down by 3.
And with that, Malinaw dribbling the ball. Quick pass to Nahorda. Nahorda spins and throws the ball but no good. And speaking of the devil, Fragoso attacking. And a mismatch there against Malinaw.
Pero kung nagkamali si Fragoso doon, kayang supalpalin itong si Malinaw, itong napakalaking mama na si Noy Fragoso. Buti nilang at naka-advantage na talaga itong si Noy for the two-pointer.
With his giant steps. And Nahorda shooting from beyond the arc. No good. But here comes the connection of Mandak and Fragoso. Grabe, ang bilis tumakbo ng isang Mandak.
Balik sa Mercedes ang lead, 27-26.
And kinuha ang muli ng Team San Vicente. We are seeing a siso battle, partner.
Oo, Disquitado. Hindi pumayag na malamangan sila. Kaya ayan, balik sa kalamangan ang para sa mga taga-Mercedes.
Tama, Mandak passing ito the side. Fires a three-pointer si JP Lanzaderas but misses. Now, Malinaw passing the ball to Bornales. Bornales dribbling, trying to shake off his defender but is failing to do so, so he asked for a pick. Malinaw still trying to play. Enter Palaog in Patintero in this kind of basketball game and decided to throw the ball but misses.
And we have a timeout.
Grabe. Sir Alex, very thrilling matchup of San Vicente versus Mercedes.
Indeed.
San Vicente has been taking the point away from Mercedes and Mercedes keep on coming back. So tingnan natin.
Siyempre, dahil talagang hindi nila kayang ipahiya itong sixth man nila, which is the crowd, na lumabas kahit merong siguro mga dapat gawin dito sa kanilang bahay o sa kanilang mga tahanan. Lumabas at nandito ngayon sa loob. At look at that.
No, just to watch the live game, no, effort, diba?
Grabe yung
Pagod
effort.
yung ganyan.
Ang dalawang yan.
And we can see the smile and of the beautiful people, you know, of Mercedes. So thank you for welcoming us here.
It's our first time po dito. I don't know with my partner here, si Sir Jello, kung nakakailang beses na nandito. Pero ako talagang definitely it's my first time dito sa Mercedes, Camarines Norte.
First time ko din, Sir Alex. So it's been an honor to experience this kind of warmth from the people of Mercedes. So thank you po sa inyong lahat.
Kakatapos lang ng festival daw nila eh.
Opo, yung Dagat-Dagatan and 75th or 78th founding anniversary. And with that, sinayawan tayo! No, parang yun yung sayaw sa festival.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Na fade away shot nitong si JP Lanzaderas.
Ang Dirk Nowitzki ng Mercedes. And with that, Nahorda trying to look for revenge. Steps back and shoots.
There you go. Noy Fragoso. Kailangang madepensahan niya itong Nahorda. Kung hindi, talagang titirahan at titirahan sa niyan.
Tama, he was kind of disappointed to himself a while ago because of failing to block that shot. And now, our JP Lanzaderas passing it to his teammate and fades away. Mukhang contagious ang kanyang movement.
Oo.
But Lopo failed. So for his second attempt, he decided to go further.
And there you go! That's Harold Lopo from behind the arc. And talagang we expect na talagang pupukol din o magdadagdag ng puntos itong si Harold Lopo dito sa kanilang kapunan. And talking about this guy, ayan na naman siya!
Lopo with his back-to-back points.
What a finish and what a steal for Harold Lopo.
And Mercedes, what a drive there by Disquitado. A fake pass into a real pass.
That's usually ay ginagawa ni Ofracio at ni Malinaw. But right now, it's Disquitado in the Malinaw connection in effect para sa San Vicente.
At ito, nagbabaga ang isang forget the name.
Ayan na.
Lopo.
Oo. Oops, that's definitely another foul. Pangalawa na yan ni Bornales kontra kay Mandak na rumaragasa at sinasalubong niya, binabangga niya. Lagi siya natatawagan ng foul.
Tama. Medyo naging overconfident din doon si Lopo a while ago. No, instead of passing, he decided to shoot it. So here goes Mercedes with the ball.
Balik na si Bragais, partner sa laro.
And Mandak shooting. Ito na si Bragais. Speaking of, pass it to Nahorda, but Mandak was there like a Superman.
Talagang walang takot itong si Jericho Mandak. Ganun siya maglaro. Talagang napaka-daredevil.
Tama, no? And looking at him, I think he's still very young.
He is very young.
No,
One of the youngest of the team. Siguro mga nasa 21 pa lang itong si Mandak eh.
Tama. And
talagang walang takot yan.
very good balance, no? A well-experienced player like Lanzadares and a very young player like Mandak. But he failed to convert that into a point. So here comes Nahorda against Fragoso. Nahorda.
Man-to-man defense ang mga taga-Mercedes.
Tama. And Camallia, that's Malinaw. Back to Nahorda.
And mukhang maganda naman na partner yung resulta ng man-to-man defense itong Mercedes against San Vicente.
Tama, they were able to defend against that.
Forcing the San Vicente team to create turnovers.
And Lopo! What a shot by Lopo! Ito na yung grabe. Relentless.
Naalala ko yung game against another team. Nakalimutan ko lang kung anong team. But Lopo scored pretty well on that one. Siya yung na-declare na kasarog player of the day or of the game. Kaya I'm very confident that this guy will really deliver.
And there's a lot of people, no, to watch out for Team Mercedes No, kasi nga, itong tulad ng isang Lopo, itong si Fragoso na nagbabaga pa lang, at si JP Lanzaderas na nag-shoot, tumitira no, sa mga long distances. And of course, meron ding isang Mandak na grabe yung puso.
Tama, tama. Well, 4 minutes and 44 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Kakalamang na po ang Mercedes ng 4 na puntos. Ito ay dahil na rin siguro sa magandang ipinapakita nilang depensa, which is man-to-man defense, while San Vicente is sa unang ina-apply. And right now, ito, end 1 ito. Kumbaga, 3-point play opportunity for Harold Lopo.
And Harold Lopo, of course, being the shooter himself, secured the 3-point play.
Tama.
Bragais loves pass to Bornales. Bornales passing it to Ofracio. Ofracio to Nahorda. Nahorda.
That was actually partially blocked by Noy Fragoso.
Yes,
So
good
yun ang
defense there.
dapat ang ginagawa ni Fragoso against Nahorda.
And the Dirk Nowitzki is now failing. So tingnan natin if he will continue attempting that shots or he will pass the ball around.
Maybe he will try to adjust. Pero yun na yun eh. Ganun, yun ang forte niya talaga eh.
And speaking of, he still attempted, but now a teardrop. But again, to reclaim his glory, he decided to pass it to Lopo. Lopo pop fakes, attacking, losing 2 guards on the process. But
Iniwanan sana yung depensa. Kaya lang, sabi ng referee, last touch mo, kaya it will be, still, it's going to be Mercedes ball. Kaya nga, at the back of my mind, sabi ko, parang sa Mercedes ang bola eh.
mukhang this Bragais is giving us so much fun in this game. What a drop dime there sana ni Mandak, but Bragais to reclaim his glory. What a behind the back pass by Bragais.
What a play for Jenmar Bragais and Ofracio for the finish.
Grabe naman yun. Bragais is having fun, ladies and gentlemen. And Mandak losing the ball for a turnover. What a nice moves there by our referee as well. Tingnan din natin yung tawag. Ito yung play kanina. Behind the back pass, recognizing that Ofracio was running.
At saka, alam ni Bragais na hindi siya tatandaan ni JP Lanzaderas in that play. And yan, may pa-N1 pa ang tira ni Marilao. Napasabit niya doon si Jericho Mandak.
And with that, San Vicente has taken their throne once again in this ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Plus, a chance to add insult to injury by throwing this ball and increasing their gap.
Adding salt to the injury or to the wound.
Grabe. But yan, even with the crowd roaring, he nailed the shot. So that's
Malinaw completing the 3-point play for Team San Vicente. They are now leading by 2.
tama. And Fragoso passing the ball to the corner, but to no avail yung tira ni Ramos that has newly entered our court. But Fragoso trying to defend against Bragais.
Look at that play!
But Bragais
From Mr. Swag!
and is flexing.
Jenmar Bragais.
Tama. Is flexing, Sir Alex, because he is being booed by the audience of Mercedes.
Ayan, sunod-sunod ang puntos. Mukhang nasusorpresa dito ang mga taga-Mercedes. 43-37. All of a sudden, naglilid na ngayon ng 6 itong mga taga-San Vicente.
And yan, I think the coach has to call a timeout here to break the momentum.
Tama, tama. That's a coach's call. Yan nga. Nag-timeout na. Itong si Coach Gabriel Catolico.
And tingnan natin kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin nila. Because as we enter the second quarter, Sir Alex, Mercedes has been leading. And
Tama.
eventually, for the last few minutes of this first half, biglang binawi ng Team San Vicente yung kalamangan.
And that's because of the heavy defense being applied now by San Vicente kontra dito sa medyo out-tempo din sila. Medyo hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang gelling yung kanilang mga movements itong player ng Mercedes. Kaya yon madalas maagaw. Uy, may maganda pala. Ba't di ka nagsabi?
Interrupt sana kita pa, Morgan. Sino nagsabi na ang mga ginto nasa Paracale at sa Mambolao, no? Merong mga ginto at diamond dito sa Mercedes.
Oo. The land of Dagat-Dagatan Festival.
Tama, kaya nagagandahan din.
Baka
at
naman
nagagapuhan.
ano yun, baka naman Serena yun, ha?
Baka, na ganyang tao, Papa Morgan. So, pwede mangyari. Okay naman, isa sa mga dancers, no, ng Dagat-Dagatan Festival.
O yan, inaabangan daw dito pag merong Dagat-Dagatan Festival yung street dance competition.
Tama. And back to the ball game, we have Nahares and an off-ball action there called by our referee.
And mukhang si Bragais na naman ang involved.
Foul, number 27.
Ano?
Jerome Ramos.
He was the one being fouled by Ramos.
Okay.
So ito si Jerome Ramos, kakapasok lang, and I think he's having a bad day in this court. So now,
Nag-a-adjust pa yan.
Tama.
Sigurado ako.
Bornales.
Horda.
With a Dirk Nowitzki shot and tips it up by
Look at that guy, Malinaw.
grabe.
Grabe talaga yung lundag nitong Malinaw, ano?
And for a 3-point attempt, no good. But Lorenzo shooting, still no luck. And Nahorda recognizing that there's a teammate, Bragais, losing the ball. And napagandang action na naman. Kahit mga referee natin dito, intense. Grabe yung mga pitik ng katawan nila.
Masyadong nahalata ko, mukhang pinapwersa na ng mga taga-Mercedes ang kanilang mga shots.
Tama. They are now failing to recognize and to move the ball around. And Bragais is capitalizing on that observation of yours, Sir Alex. Has been attacking relentlessly the paint. And
Yun
now,
ang mga play dapat.
tama. A much-needed momentum breaker on the
Tama.
side of Mercedes.
Exactly. 47-39 and madadagdagan pa yan dahil mag-free throw pa itong si Flores. Dahil sa na-foul siya in the continuation.
And eto na. Again, no, sa mga nanunood sa ating Facebook Live ni Rep Zaldico at ako, Bicol Online TV, pa-like and share para mapanood din ito sa buong mundo. No, itong napakagandang laro ng San Vicente at ng Team Mercedes.
Again, ito po yung mga dalawang pinakamatitinding team sa Distrito 2. And talking about matindi, napakatindi talaga nitong si Malinaw. Back-to-back 2-pointers for him.
And speaking of 3-pointers, eto na, trying to desperately throw the ball from long range.
I don't think they need those kind of long shots at this point in time na lumalamang na. Look at that, 10 na. It's a double-digit lead by San Vicente now.
Tama, and it's too early.
Oo.
And we're still on the second quarter, so you have to point
Dapat maging
slowly and surely.
dapat maging patient sila with their offense.
Tama.
Personal foul.
And with that,
Hindi yung parang very yung urgency parang nando doon. Hindi pa masyado pang maaga naman sa tingin ko dahil nasa second quarter pa lamang. Although magtatapos na, pero alam mo, yung basketball, diskarte ang kailangan dyan eh. Hindi yung minamadali at parang you're leaving it by chance. Tira ko to, bakit pumasok, di ba?
tama, no? It's a very complex and multifaceted game.
Tama.
They have to regroup, no? Probably later after the first half. So ito na nga, no? Again,
Talking about mga magaganda, sabi mo mga, ayan na, merong tatlo.
yan, nagagandahan ng ating mga audience at nagagwapuhan. Of course, to support both teams, now Mercedes with the ball. Maybe the reason why they keep on attacking relentlessly is because of the audience as well.
Tama,
So
siguro.
aside siguro na from the fact na advantageous na may audience ka, nakaka-pressure din yun.
Oo. Merong foul away from the ball. It's
Foul by number 20.
And then, medyo naglalambingan na ang ating mga players dito.
si Brian Kamal.
25 seconds of play for
At saka si Opracio, nagkalambingan. Foul si Kamal. It's San Vicente's possession.
And with that, Afrasio with the ball.
Muntik
Using the
na.
glass. Sayang.
Iba rin tong Ofracio talaga.
Attacking relentlessly despite being fouled just a while ago.
Oo. So, Ofracio will now be shooting 2 free throws.
And napapanood tayo no, ng 2K viewers natin sa Facebook Live. Sir
Sa ngayon,
Alex.
we have a 2K viewers. Aba, maraming salamat po.
And shoutout po sa ating mga viewers sa FB. Si Erica Sanchez, Sanzu Loreja, Prince Jeremy Seras, and Joshua Monton. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat po and happy birthday kay Juan Carlos Bachiller, ang anak ng ating kasama dito. Miss ka namin dito, Wadi Jan Bachiller. Ayan, yung mga nakakamiss kay Wadi Jan, next week nandito na siya.
Tama.
Hindi siya sumama sa atin yan dahil nga sa birthday ni Juan Carlos. Hindi naabot yung tirang yon ni Ofracio for San Vicente at magtatapos po ang ating first half na mayroong 52 ang San Vicente, 42 naman para sa home team na Mercedes. So nakakalamang po ng 10 ang Dayo kontra sa mga taga rito na Mercedes team. Alamin natin sa pagpasok natin sa ating second half kung magiging ganun pa rin ang sabi nga ni Coach Paul ang complexion ng laro. Ayan, sige. So tayo po ay magbabalik. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po araw po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit 1 dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miis Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building. Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building. San Roque, Multipurpose Building. Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building. Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang kongresman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang kongresman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building. Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building. San Roque, Multipurpose Building. Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building. Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Start of the second half of the game. Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Starters brought to you by Congressman Sandico ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang ng kasurugba.
Good evening mga kasurog, and we're back to the second half of our third game and our triple header matchup for today. You are watching San Vicente versus Mercedes. Once again, this game is brought to you by Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Habang nakakasurog pa.
And parang naalala ko yung unang game nitong home team na Mercedes against, if I'm not mistaken, yung San Lorenzo Ruiz, na nalalamangan din sila sa una, pero they made a great comeback, kaya they won that game. Isa sa mga rason mo bakit itong ang Mercedes ay katulad ng kanilang katunggali ngayon na wala ring talo. So, siyempre, the home crowd is definitely wanting to witness another win mula sa kanilang home team. So, yun ang aabangan natin kung ma-achieve nila yan ngayong gabi kontra San Vicente.
Tama, the game is not over yet, as you have said. And the opening shot was made by Fragoso, literal niyang inararo, and it was followed by a shot by Lanzadares. So they are slowly coming back this ball game.
So dalawang magkasunod na 2-pointer for Mercedes, 46-52. So it's a 6-point lead.
Naharda trying to break the momentum by spinning and shooting, but misses the ball. But good thing that Lanzadares was there to recover with a behind-the-back pass.
What a very confident man shooting that kind of si Ofracio for San Vicente.
That's Ofracio, rather. And the same position, eto si Lanzadera shooting but misses this time.
Medyo malakas yung tira niya.
Tama. Eto na, Bragais. Not so favorite of the crowd right now. Passing it to Disquitado. Disquitado missing the ball, and Fragoso, a big man running but decided to pass, but a lousy pass to the side. And here comes Nahorda with his experience.
May end one pa yun, partner.
Tama. Inantay niya talaga nga tumalon muna. Look at the replay here, Sir Alex. He pumps fakes, and then before the defender hits the ground, he decided to jump para makakuha ng end one.
At narinig na ni Fragoso yung whistle ng referee at pumasok na din yung tira niya. Pero ano pa rin natin itong si Jericho, talagang Jericho Manda, na kahit 6'5" yung dinedepensa niya.
Tama.
Sinusubukan niya pa rin ma-blanca from behind the back. Yun nga lang, sumabit siya.
Tama. And Speaking of, Mandak, he decided to pass the ball to Lanzaderas, but Lanzaderas struggled and loses the ball. Now, Braga is recognizing that the other teammates are on the other side, already decided to pass it to Ofracio for an easy 2.
Simpleng-simple yung basketball para kay Ofracio.
Tama, and Fragoso utilizing his body to gain momentum but misses that shot.
Nandun na sana eh. Nandun na yung tira.
Tama.
Tapos lang.
And now, he was fake by Disquitado.
So, umaalagwa na. It's a 12-point lead now. Oh no, it's a 14-point lead. Pero nabawi naman ni Jericho Mandak, kaya ibalik natin sa 12 ang kalamangan.
Disquitado. Pass it to Nahorda. Nahorda to Bragais. What a connection made there by the 3. Losing the ball there is Mandak.
Grabe. Talagang very aggressive itong si Mandak when it comes to offense. Kaya lang yun, nabitawan niya yung bola. Nakawala sa kanya because of the defense of Nahorda.
Disquitado to Nahorda against Fragoso. Pushing his way in. Nahorda, good defense. And Mandak running like a wind. Pass it to
Aceron.
jersey number 1 na si Aceron.
At after 2 misses, nandun si JP Lanzaderas para sagipin yung kanyang team. Or teammates, rather.
Bragais asking for a pick. Bragais.
What a move!
Grabe naman yan.
Everything but the shot. Pero nandiyan na naman siya for the steal.
But he was rejected there.
Oo.
Fragoso getting tired. But good thing is here, as a defender, grabbing the ball is Lopo and throwing the ball.
Lopo was called for a foul. At buti na lang, hindi siya, walang warning na nakita tayo from referee Faraon. Inihampas na yung bola. Meron siyang extra motion, kumbaga.
Oo, pero recognizing the disappointment there.
Disappointment lang siguro, pero still.
Yeah. Tingnan natin if he will be calm and composed this time. Disquitado asking for a pick. Disquitado attacking. Pass it to Bragais. Sorry. It was
Morales.
No, same haircut. Bragais.
Oo, same haircut ni Bragais. Oh, what a beautiful play there from Jericho Mandak to Aceron. It's a lob pass. Beautiful connection. And right now, it's Disquitado with the ball to Nahorda. Naagaw ni Fragoso. At ang Mercedes tumatakbo. Kaya lang, nandun siyempre. Hindi papayag ang mga taga San Vicente. At because of that, mapupunta ang bola sa mga nakaitim. That could have been a great opportunity for Mercedes partner to have another to cut the lead for San Vicente.
And Fragoso was not happy there. Even the crowd was upset with that call. But again, mga elite referees ito.
Kaya nga eh.
Bragais driving, losing his guard, shaking off his defender. Nahorda.
Di na umabot para sa 24-second violation. So it's going to be Mercedes basketball.
An opportunity for Mercedes to cut the lead with 4 minutes and 44 seconds remaining.
They're down by 13 points. At yeah, tama. Wala nang 5 minuto ang natitira po para sa ating third quarter dito sa ating last game. It is actually the third and final game for our day 9 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. And there you go. JP Lanzaderas connecting from the corner. At ayan, it's just a 10-point lead now. And Disquitado may hatangan ng bola against JP Lanzaderas. At talagang very patient itong San Vicente when it comes to their offense. Yun nga lang, hindi nag-connecta yun. Ayun na si Lopo, tumatakbo. Binigay kay Jericho Mandak. Tapos din yung tira. Pero nasa kanila pa rin ang bola. It's 4 against 2.
And we're down
Sina Horda lang ang nandun at saka si Malinaw.
Tama, we're down to a single-digit lead, Sir Alex.
Tama. It is 65 to 57, just an 8-point lead. And narinig natin yung buzzer, merong tayong timeout. Ano bang nangyayari? Ba't nagkakagulo? Parang pati yung crowd
Grabe yung action, Sir Alex.
Hindi talaga yung action na experience natin dito sa loob.
Tama. Kahit ako, sinisinok ako. So, pasensya na po kung naririnig. Grabe ka-intense yung laro.
Sige, hope you're enjoying mga kasurog. Saan man kayo ngayon, nasa bahay man o nandito sa loob. Nasa loob na ng nitong Jimmy P. Law Sports Complex pero nanonood pa rin sa cellphone nila ng live. Kanina bumibili kami sa labas. Sabi nung nasa tindahan, ay ako hindi na pupunta dyan sa gym. Manonood na lang ako online. Sabi ko, ma'am, yes, tama. Paki-like na din po yung aming, paki-subscribe na din sa ating YouTube channel, yung Ako Bicol Cup YouTube channel. Nanonood daw siya sa sa Ako Bicol Online TV. Sabi ko, yun nga, paki-subscribe na din. And kayo din mga kasurog, kung kayo nanonood sa Facebook page, alin man sa mga pages na available, yung Ako Bicol Online TV, Representative Saldico Facebook page, Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, paki-subscribe na din sa YouTube. Pwede rin po kayo manood dyan. Ang sabi mo nga kanina, narinig kita yung TikTok, promote mo.
Tama, kasi makikita doon na Sir Alex yung mga highlights ng laro natin.
Mga highlight reels. Ayan. So, doon mo makikita sa TikTok. So, paki-follow din po kami doon. Braga is inbounding. Finds Malinaw, and hesitates to give it back to Bragais in the post.
So Bornales to the Horda. Good ball movement on the side of San Vicente.
The catapult shot of Bornales is in effect.
Tama, and you have to commend after that break.
No?
San Vicente has composed themselves.
Asiron for the big rebound. Balik kay Lanzaderas and hits another 3-point shot para sa kanyang mga kababayan dito sa loob ng Jimmy P. Law Sports Complex sa Mercedes, Camarines Norte.
Tama, and there's only an 8-point lead. Braga is trying shoot 3 but to no avail. And Desquitado was trapped under. Eto na si Mandak running. Passing ito the big man na Pragoso at pinalik. Good connection.
Play. Good finish on the part of Pragoso and Mandak.
And eto na. Malapit na tayo. Bragais attacking against 2.
And scores with a foul. Mukhang meron tayong report sa ating magandang kasama na si Jessamay Navales. Oo, meron nga, nakaready na. Miss Jessamay, ikaw na!
What an exciting match it is, Kapa Morgan and Sir Jalo. As of the moment, San Vicente is leading the game. Hence, San Vicente should focus, maintain their composure, at higit sa lahat, wag magpapa-apekto sa audience. On the other hand, it trigger more the home court team Mercedes na makabawi, considering na todo nga ang pinapakitang suporta ng mga taga-Mercedes. However, nag-i-struggle nga ang mga taga-Mercedes na sabayan ng pamusong depensa tinatapon ng mga taga-San Vicente. That's why Mercedes should strengthen their communication with their teammates at bawasan ang pag-commit ng turnovers. Yan muna ang latest mula dito sa courtside. Back to you, Kapa Morgan and Sir Jalo.
Yan, maraming salamat, Jessamay Navales, and for the tip kung ano ang dapat na gawin itong humahabol ng mga taga-Mercedes. At yan na nga, unti-unti nakakahabol sila. with that long two fadeaway shot nitong si Lanzaderas JP, 64-70, so it's just a 6-point lead.
Tama, right when they needed it the most. But Nahorda with a long-range floater.
What a shot there from Nahorda.
Steady pa rin itong isang Nahorda. Oh!
It's Jericho Mandak skying high on that one. Grabe kumakalundag yung mga Mandak at mga Malinaw.
Tama, no, you are unexpected. No, you will not see it coming. The relatively smaller guys have the greatest leaping ability.
Oo, tama.
And eto na, the shooter na sila. Lanzaderas JP releasing another one with the hand of Midas. Ika nga, ginto kapag ginawa kanya na yung bola. Money in the bank.
Apat na lang ang Kalamangan. Bornales with the ball. Wala. Nakuha ng mga taga-Mercedes. Ayan, tumatakbo ang mga naka-orange. Mandak with the left-handed shot. Wala, nandun si Fragoso for the putback.
Fragoso showing his dominance right now at the right time.
Ayan na, kagulo na dito sa loob ng Jimmy P. Lo Sports Complex sa Mercedes.
Dalawa na lang ang Kalamangan and an opportunity.
So right now, merong opportunity Mercedes to cut or to even the score or to take the lead.
Tama, if they manage to take a 3-pointer. And tingnan natin itong mga audience. They are on the edge of their seats. Some of them nakatayo na.
Grabe. Yung iba nakasabit sa mga puno sa labas.
Tama, at ako hindi pa rin iniiwanan ng aking hiccup. Ito na, Mandak to close the gap.
Grabe! Getting his own miss! Look at that play! Ibang klase ang pinapakita ng Jericho Mandak sa larong ito.
Tama mga kaibigan, kapit lang kayo. Mandak with his Spider-Man defense. And an opportunity to regain an advantage. Fragoso lobbing into a breakaway pass to Aceron, but misses the ball.
I think Aceron wasn't too ready for that pass.
Nonetheless, they were able to close the gap. Kapa Morgan, grabe naman to.
Tabla po tayo, mga kasunog. 20 seconds remaining, nasa kay Bragais ang bola ngayon.
Bragais using his dribbles, attacking alone behind the back pass.
And what a play!
Ocrasio, Fragoso, dribbling the ball, throws the ball with a Hail Mary shot.
At there you go! What an exciting sequence of events dito sa ating third quarter, 74-72. Nakalamang na lang ng dalawa ang San Vicente. Kanina tumablan na po tayo at nagkaroon ng chance na lamang sana itong mga taga-Mercedes na talagang inaasahan ng kanilang mga kabayan dito sa loob ng sports complex na ito na maipapanalo ito para sa kanila.
Tama, no, as we take a look at the highlights, kitang-kita natin yung relentless attack ng San Vicente in the early minutes of the third quarter. Pero biglang bumawi yung Mercedes with the likes of Mandak.
Grabe yung heroics ni Mandak.
Tama, and yung mga shooting prowess ni Lanzaderas JP.
Tama. And we're getting to the fourth and final quarter of this very exciting ball game. At dito na malalaman Sir Jello kung sino nga ba talaga ang maghahari dito sa Distrito 2 ng ating Paliga, Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. Again, dalawa lang pong districts ang naglalaban, District 1 and District 2. At napapabilang po ang inyong natutunghayan ngayong Mercedes at San Vicente sa District 2.
Tama, and if you just tuned in, sabi nga namin kanina, San Vicente is 3-0 while Mercedes is 4-0. This is a battle of the undefeateds. So tingnan natin kung sino yung will continue reigning supreme in this district at sino naman yung makakatikim ng una nilang pagkatalo.
Right, so sige, we're really excited to witness that one inside this GBP Law Sports Complex dito po sa Mercedes, Camarines Norte.
As De Contido Pass the ball to the bigger man na Horda, pushing his way in. De Contito, rejected.
He was partially blocked by Aceron. Good defense on the part of Mercedes, and right now, maaari silang tumabla. JP Lanzaderas cannot make that one from the corner.
But I think the ball was still given to them.
It's still Mercedes ball possession, so meron pa silang chance. They need to score, and even this tally para maganda yung pasok nila sa fourth quarter.
14 seconds to shoot.
May violation ata sa baseline throw in ni JP Lanzaderas.
Play review.
And Mandak is now experiencing the fatigue that has been, of course, a result of his relentless attack a while ago.
Oo, and Mandak is down. I don't know what happened, di ko nakita.
Tama, and he will review, the referee, no, rather will review what happened there kasi this is a very crucial possession.
Makikita natin, sa loob na si Coach Pau Biñas.
And very magical, Sir Alex, to share ko na din dito sa audience. Kapag pala sinisinok ka, kailangan mo lang magsalita ng 10 beses ng itlog. Very effective.
Napatunayan mo.
Napatunayan ko
talaga.
No?
Itlog ang sasabihin mo. 10 times.
Tama, no? As a physics and research teacher, aalamin ko ang logic behind that after this event. No,
natawa ko sa'yo eh. Medyo hindi ka paniwala, pero if it's effective sa tingin mo, why not, di ba?
Very effective, partner, no? As I have been struggling to speak a while ago, and I was praying na mawala agad yung sinok ko kanina. And then, ito, 10 itlog lang pala ang solusyon.
Kaya lang, di ka namin narinig na nagsalita ng itlog.
Siyempre, from behind the scene na yun. Sir, kasi baka...
you could have, did it dito sa ere. Para
baka maging meme na tayo bukas.
Oo nga eh. Anyway, sige. Just taking things light on this very intense ball game that we're witnessing right now. 74-72. Nakakalamang po ang San Vicente. Nasa kanila pa rin ang bola.
Tama. And with that, Bornales now dribbling the ball. Quick jumper and 3-point attempt. Grabe ang composure.
Grabe yung catapult shot na yan. Talagang napapahanga na ako niyan, Bornales, ha?
Tama. San Vicente is now again ballooning with their lead. But revenge of the fire! There you have it.
This is the guy for Mercedes.
That's a cannonball experience by Mandak. And an alley-oop!
Pinantihan. Napakaganda ng mga plays na pinapakita dito ngayon.
Tama. I think this is like a championship already.
Kaya
Sir Alex. Grabe naman. Mandak with his heart on his sleeve.
Another one!
Grabe ang showdown ng mga shooting prowess nito. And I think Bornales will shoot as well, no, because he's being challenged. And alley-oop
yung lab!
Grabe naman yun!
It's the Bornales-Malinaw connection. Talagang si Malinaw is a baseline lurker. At pag nandyan sa may baseline, pagka nabigyan niya ng bola, kahit nasa taas talagang ititira niya yan.
And now,
hanging in the air.
Tama, and now our shooters is being pressured. But Mandak, against all odds, and Aceron was hacked there.
But no foul called.
And I think Mandak is experiencing some pain in his foot. So I think he will be subbed out. And medyo magiging kawalan ito because Mandak has been exerting a lot of effort for Team Mercedes.
He's actually the spark plug right now for his team. Kaya lang yun, masyadong na-abuse yung kanyang legs.
And good thing we have, of course, no,
the medical
team here.
To attend to this kind of situation na nagka-cramps ang isang player. Pasadahan muna natin, partner, while okay, so balls on play na naman. Ayan, leading scorers natin for Mercedes, it's Lanzaderas with 22 big points, Mandak with 12, Pragoso 11 points, si Jenmar Bragais naman with 17 points para sa koponan ng San Vicente, and of course Leomar Nahorda with 16 points naman.
Tama, and speaking of and going back to the game, aside from, of course, no, this is also an opportunity para sa mga bench players natin, no, para i-showcase yung skill nila sa isang liga.
Tama.
And speaking of, eto na, trap, but a good pass there by Camallia na pumalit sa fallen na si Mandak, and a good awareness there of Lanzaderas trying to strip away that pass, but here comes Bragais. But was trapped against 3 and was hacked and will top the line because he was found in the act of shooting.
Tama, what a move. Napakatindi yung atake nitong si Bragais towards the basket.
And Pragoso will now re-enter the court because they realize that Bragais will reign supreme under the paint if they have no big guy there. Kaya muling ibinalik si Pragoso sa loob.
And pumasok yung unang tira ni Bragais. Let's see. And same result. Sir Jello. They're leading now by, I guess, 6 points now.
And here we go. 6 points ang Alamangan, pero still within a striking distance as JP Lanzaderas throws the ball from beyond the arc but misses.
Yes, anything can happen. Meron pa tayong 7 minutes and 35 seconds sa ating fourth quarter action.
And Bragais, grabbing drive yon and dropping the dime to Nahorda to secure the points. Very composed.
They need to stop Bragais on the part of Mercedes.
No, I think they have to implement the box-in-one strategy or else trap them inside the zone. But JP Lanzaderas picking up his own mess, securing the points. No, at least trying to close the gap created by Bragais in the past few runs.
Tama, and they needed that for Mercedes.
And Bragais passing it to Nahorda and breakaway pass to Camallia. Camallia misses the ball.
I think masyadong minadali din yun ni Camallia. He could have waited for his teammates.
Tama, no? And Bragais against JP Lanzaderas trying to slow down the pace because again, no, he can drive and shoot or drive and pass.
What a miscommunication on the part of Mercedes. Tatlo yung up for the rebound pero in the end, hindi napunta sa kanilang mga kamay ang bola.
Tama, and good minutes there nonetheless by Camallia as Mandak has returned inside the court. No, a much needed player for Team Mercedes. Patingnan natin if that sprain or whatever he was feeling on his foot will affect his performance.
Ayan, alamin natin kung makapabalik pa. Ayan na, si Mandak pala. Akala ko nasa labas pa. Pragoso! Power move!
And ito yung kailangan gawin ni Pragoso.
Tama, I think kailangan din ng strong presence inside the paint para sa kanyang kupunan.
And Nahorda against Pragoso. Nahorda thinks to attack. Nahorda attacks. Pragoso was there. So he failed to complete his play. But Pragoso is down now with 3 relatively smaller players in the paint.
What a hustle on the part of Asiron. Not giving up on that ball. Pero mananatili ang bola sa mga nakaitim. Ang kupunan ng San Vicente.
And with 5 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time, let's see how will this game progress. Kasi nga, sa kakatune in lang, kanina lamang na lamang ang San Vicente. Almost to 20 points, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And habol ito ng San Vicente. And with that, Nahorda fading away. Pass it to Bragais. Bragais and Nahorda, unstoppable under the rim.
Walang nagawa doon si Sanares with those two guys. Lalong-lalo na itong si Nahorda na talagang di hamak na mas malaki sa kanya.
And Mandak again, no, with his heart attacking, but he was hacked as he was trying to retrieve the ball, and a foul is called. No, this man
against Malinaw. Nako, mukhang naaabuso masyado ang katawan itong si Jericho Mandak, who exploded earlier. Kaya medyo hindi masyadong malaki yung kalamangan ng San Vicente. Kanina, almost they tied the ball game because of the heroics itong si Jericho Mandak.
Tama, no? And this is how you will fall in love with the basketball, seeing how people and players would try to spend their life, no, just to secure every ball possession, no, to make a point for their team.
Sometimes your body is on the line.
Tama, ito yung tinatawag natin buwis buhay.
Tama.
And yan, again, still very good development on the side of Mercedes. Seemingly hopeless kanina, no, with the insurmountable and continuously ballooning gap. Medyo naabol na nila, no, but with the likes of Bragais and Nahorda and the alley-oops there created by
Bornales and Malinao kanina. Two lob pass na talagang very effective at nagdagdag pa ng kalamangan para sa kanilang grupo. Ang nagresulta sa ngayon ay meron na silang lamang na 8 points.
Tama, ano. And again, despite this 8-point advantage ng San Vicente and Mercedes against Mercedes, no, Mercedes can still win this ball game. Kasi kumbaga nag-aantay lang ng mga mistakes. Ito ay ng momentum itong Mercedes. And speaking of momentum, using his body backwards with a Dirk Nowitzki shot, JP Lanzadares secured another 2-pointer for his team.
Kailangan niya na stay positive lang if merong pagkakataon na tumira, or kung wala man, you find an open area para makapag-create ka ng sarili mong shot, and that's what JP Lanzadares is doing for his team. And yun, sinasabi mo kanina na meron pang chance na makahabol itong Mercedes. Alam mo, Sir Jello, talagang ganun ang Mercedes. Maraming mga games sila dito sa elimination na ipanalo nilang apat na yan. Halos lahat sila yung humahabol. At in the end, sila yung nananalo. But sige, masusubukan yan dito sa matinding team na to, na San Vicente, kung magmamaterialize pa din yung kanilang comeback plays.
Tama, no. Kumbaga, itong Team Mercedes counter puncher sila. And with that, no, sabi ko nga, nag-aantay lang sila ng mistakes. A turnover was converted into points. Now we have 4-point advantage na lang. But Bragais was fouled there. So ito na yung ginagawa ni Bragais, recognizing that Mercedes can strike them anytime, no, with a knife. Kaya inaatake niya na, no. He's using his experience and body as well by pushing his way in and passing it to the outside for his teammate. Pag hindi nabantayan, di ititira niya.
Ayan na naman. Oy, naagaw ang post move or post play na yon.
And these are the mistakes that they are waiting. And Pragoso, against all odds, but Bragais was there, and of course, Malinao with an easy breakaway point.
Tama. Magagano mga plays na mga transition plays, asahan mo yan kay Malinao.
And Lopo attacking. Pass it to Aceron. Aceron!
Nice play.
Good attack there on Team Mercedes, moving the ball around and passing it to the open man. But Bragais, again, with his dominance in the ball, in dribbling the ball.
Talagang matindi na rin yung ginagawang pagdidepensa nitong Sinoy Pragoso kontra dito sa isa sa mga hitman ng San Vicente na si Lakay Nahorda.
And Nahorda, of course, being pressured, is forced to take a shot, no, challenging his defender but misses. No? Lopo with an alley-oop pass to Pragoso.
Masyadong mataas yung pasang yun. Nandiyan na yan naman. Huwag na naman sanang magmadali ang Mercedes kung gusto talaga nilang maipanalo ang larong ito.
That's a very costly mistake no, if ever they were able to nail it. Dalawa na lang sana yung Kalamangan. But
Sabi mo kanina, partner, na inaantay lang nila yung mga mistakes ng kalaban. But if they will be the one who will commit mistakes, ay may pagkalalagyan sila.
Tama, no? And with Bragais carrying the team on his shoulders, shooting and attacking relentlessly, but rejected this time. But of course, there is his teammates to pick up his mess. And eto na, ang bagong pasok lang na si Gerald Lanzares to Lopo. Lopo generating a play for his team. Dribbling, losing his guard. What a blow by and a shot.
What a jumper from Harold Lopo.
Gandang fake yun. As if he was moving to the left, losing his guard. No, almost an ankle breaker. And ito na nga, nagbabox and one na. Binabantayan na nila ang isang Bragais. And effective sana, but Nahorda is controlling the rim. But a good rebound there on the side of Mercedes. And recognizing that they have the number advantage, Fragoso securing 2 points.
And all of a sudden, 2 puntos na lang po ang nilalamang ng San Vicente sa pagpasok natin sa Twilight Zone.
Tama, and with under 2 minutes, tingnan natin, Nahorda is using his advantage against the exhausted Fragoso. Kitang-kita natin na nakayuko na kanina ang isang Fragoso after exerting so much effort in both attack and defense. And makita natin ang mga audience natin, no? Kahit saan, basta makapanood lang.
Nahihirit masyado dito si Noy Fragoso.
And that's the love for the basketball of people here in Mercedes.
Tama.
Grabe.
Kanina hapon pagdating natin, tinatanong ko yung mga tao, mahilig ba kayo sa basketball dito? Ay, oo naman. Sa tingin mo, mapupuno natin itong ano mo.
Ay, ito, chill na chill.
Pa. Ayan, look at that. Nasa bubong ng isang building. Sabi ko sa iyo, ay mayroon yung mga nasa puno nakakapit.
Yan, and napakagandang laro ang ipinapakita, kaya it deserved, no, a wide range of audience. And ito na, medyo nagkakainitan na at
this is a crucial play for San Vicente.
Tama.
Nasa labas si Fragoso, masyado ng pagod.
And good defense sana on the side of Mercedes, but losing the ball kahit they tried to reject.
At ayun, balik tayo sa 4-point lead for San Vicente with that play.
Lopo. Pump fakes, attacks, and a floater, but no good. But to clean up the mess, nandun!
Ay pa-end one pa!
Sanares, end one. A much-needed play for Team Mercedes to close the gap.
That's a lucky bounce, after that miss, nandun siya at the right place at the right time to put that back at yun, nakapasabit pa siya. Kaya mga kasurog, nasa free throw line pa itong si Sanares to try to complete the 3-point play opportunity.
Tama, mukhang dinasalan itong tira.
Baka naman nag-take effect din yung 10 itlog na binention mo kanina.
Baka. No, and I think this is the time for the people of Mercedes to raise their hand and send their energy to the hands of Jan Sanares for him to make this very important free throw. A free throw of his life that would close the gap into 1 point. So tingnan natin if he will make it. And he didn't make it. So still, 2 points pa rin yung Kalamangan. And a sniper here. And
heavy contact na naman ang meron doon.
Fragoso
and Nahorda in collision.
And that's what you expect, no? When you place 2 heavyweights under the same court. So magbabanggaan at magtitiktikan talaga ang mga katawan nila.
Bakbakan talaga, partner, ang na-experience natin dito. 95-93. Mag-free throw ata itong si Nahorda after the timeout. So, magkakaroon ng chance ang San Vicente na maiangat pa sa 4 or kahit sa 3 ang Kalamangan. So, pray para sa mga taga-Mercedes na magkaroon ng turn of events.
Tama, no, kasi again, no, basketball is a game of unpredictability. Kanina nga, seemingly hopeless na itong Mercedes, but they were able to close the gap until this very moment with 2 points. So this is a very crucial huddle for both teams. What are they going to do after these 2 free throws?
Yan, halimbawa maipasok man itong si Nahorda ang 2 free throws, mapupunta siyempre sa mga taga-Mercedes ang bola. They just have to remain composed and think and play as a team at try to score para makabalik sa 2 yung kalamangan, or even kung makakabuslo sila ng 3-point shot ay magiging 1 na lang ang kalamangan. Ang importante ay maipunto sila after kung sakali man na shoot nitong si Leomar Nahorda, which I think is napaka-high yung percentage para mai-shoot niya ito.
And ito na, ginagamit na ng Team Mercedes yung advantage ng 6th man, but to no avail because of course, this type of players like Nahorda is very well experienced player. They have played in the several parts of the Philippines. So, normal na to sa kanila.
Talagang may shooting.
Tama, and they are not easily distracted. And ito na nga, he was able to secure the 2 shots.
They should cross this one and make a shot.
Aceron passing it to Lopo. Lopo has been doing well in remaining time. Big man Pragoso.
Oh! It's almost a jam from Noy Pragoso. What a beautiful play from Harold Lopo.
And with seconds to play, Bragaes has been tasked probably to carry the ball for the remaining possessions that they have. Let's see if he will attack or he will pass the ball to his teammate.
Kung sino magkakamali.
Pass it to Nahorda. Nahorda, a very crucial ball possession. Decided to pass it for a 3-point attempt. Hits the rim and an opportunity for Team Mercedes to close the gap as Lopo crossing the half court. Pass it to Aceron using the glass for 2!
And we have a tied ball game at 23 seconds remaining.
And the crowd goes wild. This is shot clock is off. This can be anybody's ball game as Braga is attacking the ball and hitting.
Napakagandang recognition ni Bragaes na nakita niya parang tulala pa yung kalaban. I will attack! I will shoot this one! Ibang klase ang Bragaes. Talagang doon, napapatunayan na talagang very mature pagdating sa laruan. Itong Jenmar Bragaes.
Tama, and looking into the highlights, this is a very, very good attack by Aceron. And this ball possession, no, could either make or break Team Mercedes. Ano kaya yung gagawin nila? Are they going for 2 points to secure an OT, or are they going to trust their shooters in the likes of JP Lanzaderas, Mandak, or Lopo in the 3-point line? So
yan ang alamin natin. Depende na yan kay Coach Gabriel Catolico kung ano ang magiging desisyon and what he thinks will work for his team para dito. Meron silang 2 option to tie this one and extend this ball game in an OT or win this one with a big 3-pointer.
Ayan, so sa mga nanonood sa atin sa live, sa Rep Zaldico, Ako Bicol Online TV, and Ako Bicol Cup 2023 YouTube channel, i-share nyo na para mapanood sa buong mundo itong napaka-exciting na ball game ng San Vicente and Mercedes with 11.6 seconds in a ball possession for Mercedes. An opportunity to tie the ball game or to take away this game against San Vicente. But of course, no, if San Vicente will manage to secure a good defense, they will take this game with them.
At masasaktan ang mga taga-Mercedes.
Tama. Ito na. Tragoso and foul.
Meron lang 1 second ang nakuha. Nawala sa ating relo. Wala pa sa penalty kaya hindi mag-free throw itong si Pragoso. So, magsiset uli sila ng play. Oy, kapit lang.
Kapit lang, baka mahulog kayo dyan. Kasi gitgitan, baka mag-celebrate. Tapos nakalimutan na nakahawak pala siya. Ito na Pragoso. Passing ito sa JP Lanzaderas decided the 3-pointer but to clean up the mess for an OT. And ito na, nag-aagawa ng tungo sa ilalim.
They've had that opportunity to just at least even the score.
A heartbreak indeed for Team Mercedes and the people of Mercedes. But nonetheless, this was a very good game. No, this one will stay forever in our hearts and memories, Sir Alex, because Mercedes was down for many points, but they were able to close the gap and bring us to the exciting last 11 seconds of this ball game.
They could have even won this ball game kung talagang hindi lang nagkamali, ano. But anyway, yun na nga, ang basketball minsan nagkakamali ka, minsan naman tama yung mga decision mo. But on that last sequence, that last 10 seconds of this ball game, na kung saan maaari silang manalo or makapag force into an overtime, hindi nangyari. At nasaktan sila. What a heartbreaker for the Team Mercedes, and so as the home crowd na umaasang maipapanalo ng kanilang kupunan ng larong ito. But anyway, I'm sure na nag-enjoy ang lahat.
Tama, Sir Alex, no. And personally, I think the decision of the coach there, no, knowing na medyo advantageous yung strength ng San Vicente, they opt to take the risk, no, on that 3-point line. And as a fan, no, very risky nga yun, no, kasi of course with our advisors such as Coach Paul, no, kumbaga mas maganda i-secure mo yung tabla para mag-isip ka na lang for the next overtime. But as a basketball fan, parang mas gusto ko yung ganong risk-taking play, no, na magpumasok yun, that's a dagger through the heart.
Alam mo kasi, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. Ganun lang naman yun. So, kahit hindi nangyayari yung high reward na inaasahan ng Mercedes on that particular last play, they've had the chance. Nakaputback pa sila. Yun nga lang, di pumasok yung mga tira. Pero alam mo, on the part of Mercedes, Sir Jello, magiging proud pa rin sila, and with their heads high na magko-compete sa ligang ito dito sa ating Copicol Cup Camarines Norte, because hindi naman sila iniwan ng todo nitong mga taga San Vicente. In fact, yun nga, munti ka na, di ba? So hindi masasabi ng mga taga San Vicente na ay kayang-kaya natin. So there's still I'm talking about the Mercedes, and they're still one of the teams to reckon with.
Tama, no? And of course, this is not yet the end. As you were saying in the opening of this ball game, Mercedes has 4-0. This is just their first loss. So there's a chance na maghaharap ulit sila sa semifinals or
malaki yung chance
sa finals.
Tama, malaki yung chance. And mabibit-bit pa rin nila yung confidence pagdating sa semifinals kung makaharapan Manila uli itong katunggali nila na San Vicente. And hindi sila masyadong magiging low moral because lumaban sila ng gusto at almost makuha yung pagkapanalo sana. But anyway, kudos to San Vicente team. Talagang since the start of the ball game, talagang na-feel ko yung dominance nila. Pero yun na nga, wag pa rin silang pagkasiguro dito sa kupunan ng Mercedes.
Oo, kasi again, these teams, no, sa Ako Bicol Cup are the top tier teams. Personally handpicked by the coaches and of course their team managers. No, these are no ordinary players. Kaya pag medyo nakampante ka, no, be prepared that the people will try to hold you by their neck. So yan, once again, magpapaalam na tayo. This is Angelo Espinosa, your play-by-play commentator. At kasama ko si
Papa Morgan po, para sa inyo dito sa mga sa ating mga games sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. It has been a pleasure doing this work with Sir Angelo Espinosa, lalong-lalo na dito sa Mercedes na kung saan dumayo pa kami. Eto, magpapaalam na po kami. Maraming salamat mga kasurog. Ibabato na namin kay Miss Jessamay Navales and our kasurog player of the ball game. Sige, good night and maraming salamat po.
Ayan, well, thank you, Sir Jello and Kapa Morgan. So now with me right now is the kasurog player of the game from San Vicente, jersey number 14, Leon Nojarda with 26 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 black. Congratulations po for being hailed as our Kasaraga player of the game. You are getting closer and closer papunta sa semis. How do you feel right now?
Siyempre masaya kasi palapit na kami sa semis. Yun nga, dahil home advantage yung kalaban, sabi ko sa mga teammate namin, focus lang tayo, magpatuloy mga fans. Yun lang, laro na maayos.
And congratulations once again. As usual, may gusto ka bang i-shoutout or pasalamatan sa inyong mga supporters?
Binabati ko po yung mayor ng San Vicente, si Ma'am Joanna Ong, tsaka yung boss EOY, at sa family ko sa Ilocos.
Ayan, congratulations once again to Team San Vicente and to our Kasurog player of the game, Leo Noharda. So mga Kasurog, don't forget to hit that like and share button para sa mga kaabang-abang na basketball actions. Pakaabangan rin po ang game bukas na gaganapin sa Municipality of Jose Panganiban, probinsya ng Camarines Norte. We are also live at Ako Bicol Parteles Facebook page, Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Online TV at Ako Bicol YouTube channel. Please also do follow our TikTok account para sa mga kaabang-abang na game highlights at Ako Bicol Cup. On behalf of Representative Zaldico, our Commissioner, Sir Lloyd Rivera, and Ako Bicol Party List, and of course, to our Technical Head Director, Sir Christian Calleja, I am Jessamine Navales, your courtside reporter. Good night, everyone!